we are going to make a candle. Homemade candle. So let's get started. Take a glass and add water. You can take food color or paint. I have taken 3 colors: green, red and yellow. You can take any scented oil. I have taken eucalyptus oil. You can add some decorations. I have taken glitters. If you don't have glitters, you can also add flower. Now, I have added some tiny flowers. Now, take some Deepam oil and add it to the candle which we have made. Take a plastic, cut it and make a hole in it. And then take a candle wick and insert it to the plastic. Our candle is ready. If you like this candle, please like, share and decorate your home with these beautiful candles. Please share your valuable comments in the comment section below and subscribe for more videos.